Question number 7. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Okay, so here the room is given and the length and the width or the breadth of the room is given. Okay, so now how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Okay, so in what is carpet? It is the mat. We can say mat or carpet means the material used to cover the floor. Okay, so how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? So from the question itself, in order to cover the floor of the room, okay, it is what is that carpet? It is the area enclosed, it is the area enclosing the closed figure. Here the closed figure is the room, okay, and the area enclosed inside that room is has been covered by a carpet. Okay, so can we say we have to find the area? Okay, now area we have to find. It's clear from the question. Now long, 4 meter long. So what is that 4 meter? Length. Okay, and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide is the width or breadth of that room. Okay, now before finding the area of the room, what we have to do? One is in meter, length is in meter, and breadth is or breadth or width, it is in meter and centimeter. So that centimeter we have to convert to meter first. Yes or no? Now 50 centimeter, previous sum I told you. Okay, so 50 centimeter, how can we convert it to meter? 50 divided by 100. Yes or no? Now denominator we have two zeros. So place decimal before two numbers. So can I write it as 0.50 meter? Okay. Now 0.50 meter is only converted, this 50 centimeter converted to meter. Now we have a 3 meter there. We have to add this 0.50 with that 3. Okay, so 3 plus 0.50. Okay, so 3 and 0.50. So 3, can we place decimal and add two zeros in order to add them? Yes. So now adding 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Again 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3.50. Okay, what is the unit? Meter. Okay, now 4 meter, length is 4 meter and breadth is 3.50 meter. 3.50 is nothing but 3.5. Okay, meter. Okay, now both are in meter. Now can we find the area of the room? Yes, it is equal to length into breadth. So we have 4 into 3.5. Okay, now previous sum I told you how to multiply a decimal number by a whole number. Okay, so the decimal number we have to write first. Okay, so we have 3.5 into 4. So where should I put that 4? I should put below this 5. Okay, now we have to multiply. 4 5s are, we have 20. So put 0 and 2 carry over. 4 3s are is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, so 14. Now where should we put decimal? 3.5. Decimal point is before one number. So in our answer we have to place decimal before one number. So we have 14.0. Okay, so 14.0 is nothing but 14. Okay, so 14.0. After the decimal point, if you are having 0, okay, 14.0 or 14.00, that means it is a whole number only. Okay, so it is 14 square meter or 14 meter square. Okay, so the area of the carpet needed, whatever is the area, that much only the carpet is needed. Yes or no? So area of the carpet needed is equal to 14 square meter. Clear, children? Question number 8. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Here in this question, two cases are given. Okay, first one is a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Okay, so the length and the breadth or width, okay, length and breadth of the floor is given. Okay, and a square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Okay, in that floor, okay, first a floor is there. Okay, the length and breadth of the floor is given. on that floor a square carpet, okay, is laid, okay, and the side of the square carpet is given, it is 3 meter. A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. I told you, no, that full floor, no, in that full floor 3 meter carpet has been laid, okay. So square carpet of side 3 meter is laid. Okay, now we have to find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Okay, here the floor, the length and breadth is given, and they are not saying that the entire floor has been carpeted. The question is not like that. Okay, in that entire floor only a square carpet of side 3 meter is laid. Okay, so we have to find the remaining part of the floor that is not carpeted. Okay, now before that, what we have to find here, first we have to find the area of the floor, yes or no. Length and breadth of the floor is given, first we have to find the area. Okay, then same way the square carpet, the side of the carpet is given, we have to find the area of the square. Okay, and that too we have to subtract, yes or no. Total floor minus the floor that has been carpeted with that has been carpeted, we have to find. Okay, then we have to subtract both in order to find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Clear, children? Now how can we find? First, finding the area of the floor. Okay, so the length is given as 5 meter and breadth is given as 4 meter. First, finding the area of the floor. The length is given, breadth is given. Okay, 5 and 4 meter. Okay, so the area of the floor is equal to length into breadth, that is 5 into 4. Okay, so 5 fours are 20. So 20 square meter or 20 meter square. Okay, that is the area of the floor. Now a square carpet, no, so we have to find the area of square carpet also. Okay, so side is given as 3 meter, so area of a square is equal to side into side, so 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 square meter. Okay, now 9 square meter is the area of the carpet, square carpet, and the area of the floor is 20 square meter. Now we have to find the area that is not carpeted, area of the floor that is not carpeted. So what we have to do? We have to subtract both. Okay, so 20 minus 9. Okay, so 20 minus 9 is nothing but, okay, we have to subtract. So 20 minus 9 is 11. Okay, so 11 square meter is the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Clear, children?